Greetings everyone. Welcome to the Worldwide Curiosities channel. Today, we're taking a journey into the realm of the extraordinary, exploring the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We'll be unpacking how AI works, its ins and outs, and how it's weaving its way into the fabric of our lives, transforming everything from our daily routines to the way businesses operate. So buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. First and foremost, let's unravel the mystery behind AI, or artificial intelligence. At its core, AI is a multidisciplinary science that involves designing intelligent machines capable of mimicking human behavior. It's about creating systems that can understand, learn, adapt, and potentially even outperform human intelligence. Now you might be wondering, how do these machines learn? Well, this is where the concept of machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI, which allows machines to learn and improve from experience autonomously. It's like teaching a child to identify a cat by showing them several pictures of cats. Eventually, the child starts recognizing the cat in new images. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn from data, which is the lifeblood of AI. But how do these machines mimic the human brain? This is where neural networks come into the picture. Think of neural networks as a replica of the human brain, made up of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. These networks process information, identify patterns, and make decisions, much like our brains do. The magic begins when we feed these neural networks with data. The more data they consume, the better they get at recognizing patterns and making accurate predictions. Over time, they learn to perform complex tasks, from recognizing faces to driving cars all by themselves. However, AI is not just about mimicking human intelligence. It's about augmenting it. It's about designing machines that can do mundane tasks, so we humans can focus on what we do best, being creative, empathetic, and innovative. So, why should we care about AI? Because it's transforming every facet of our lives, from how we work and play to how we live and dream. It's the driving force behind many of the technologies we use today, and will continue to shape our future in ways we can't even imagine. Now that we've grasped the basics of AI, we can start exploring how it impacts our lives. Artificial intelligence is not a futuristic concept. It's already here, subtly woven into our everyday lives. Let's take a moment to explore the myriad ways AI has quietly slipped into our routine. Remember when you asked Siri for the quickest route to the coffee shop this morning? Or when Alexa played your favorite song without you having to lift a finger? Yes, these smart voice assistants are powered by AI, making our lives just a tad bit easier. And it's not just about answering queries or playing music. AI is also responsible for the personalized experiences we get on digital platforms. For example, when you're binging your favorite show on a streaming platform, have you ever wondered how it always seems to know what you might like to watch next? That's AI at work, using recommendation algorithms to analyze your viewing patterns and preferences, and then suggesting content that aligns with your tastes. AI doesn't stop at entertainment. It's also working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your inbox clean. Ever noticed how most of the spam email never makes it to your primary inbox, but instead lands in the spam folder? This is thanks to AI-based spam filters, which analyze patterns in spam messages and filter them out before they can clutter your inbox. And let's not forget online shopping. AI-powered chatbots often guide us through our purchasing decisions, providing real-time responses to our queries and offering suggestions based on our browsing history. In the realm of health and fitness, AI is there too. Your fitness tracker's ability to monitor heart rate, sleep patterns, and suggest personalized workouts. You guessed it, all thanks to AI. So, whether it's setting reminders, directing us to our destination, curating our music playlist, or even helping us stay fit, AI is there, silently working in the background, making our lives more convenient, efficient, and personalized. Isn't it amazing how much AI contributes to our daily lives without us even noticing? Stepping out of our homes, let's observe how AI is revolutionizing businesses and industries. In the realm of healthcare, AI is making monumental strides. It is aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy and speed, Algorithms analyze medical images, detect abnormalities, and even predict the risk of certain health conditions. This not only improves patient outcomes, but also allows healthcare professionals to focus on tasks only they can perform. When we consider the financial sector, AI's influence is equally profound. From fraud detection to algorithmic trading, AI systems are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that would be unnoticeable to the human eye. This enables financial institutions to make more informed decisions and safeguard themselves against potential risks. Venture into the world of transportation, and you'll find AI steering the wheel. Self-driving cars, equipped with AI, are no longer a figment of science fiction. They use complex algorithms to interpret data from sensors, allowing them to navigate traffic, recognize pedestrians, and respond to real-world situations. This technology holds the promise of safer, more efficient roads. In the realm of manufacturing, AI is the backbone of automation. Robots guided by AI can perform repetitive tasks with remarkable precision and speed. This not only boosts productivity, but also reduces the risk of human error and workplace accidents. Moreover, companies across all sectors are harnessing AI for predictive analytics. By analyzing past data, AI can forecast future trends, helping businesses anticipate customer needs, optimize their supply chain, and stay ahead of the competition. AI is not just a buzzword. It's a tool that's automating tasks, improving efficiency, and driving innovation. It's a transformative force that's reshaping the way businesses operate and industries evolve. As we can see, AI is a powerful tool that's transforming the world of business and industry. The capabilities of AI are expanding at an incredible rate. Let's take a peek into what the future might hold. As we journey forward, we can't help but marvel at the potential future applications of AI. One of these exciting frontiers is climate modeling. Imagine AI systems capable of predicting long-term weather patterns and even providing solutions for climate change. These advanced models could give us the foresight to prepare for natural disasters, or better yet, prevent them entirely. Now, let's turn our attention to the realm of education. The classrooms of the future might be revolutionized by AI. Think of personalized learning programs, tailored to the unique needs and pace of each student. These AI systems could identify gaps in understanding, suggest targeted resources, and foster an enriching, individualized learning journey. This could well mean a new era of education, where no student is left behind, and everyone can reach their full potential. In the sphere of robotics, AI is set to make some serious waves. Advanced robotics powered by AI could perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. From surgical robots that could perform delicate procedures, to rescue robots capable of navigating disaster sites, the possibilities are truly astounding. But along with these exciting prospects come some serious challenges and ethical considerations. There are questions about job displacement, privacy, and even the potential for AI to be used in harmful ways. As we forge ahead into this new frontier, it's crucial that we navigate these challenges with care, ensuring that the benefits of AI are accessible to all, while minimizing potential harm. The future of AI is like an unwritten book, filled with promise and potential. Each page we turn reveals new advancements, new solutions, and new challenges. But one thing is certain, the story of AI is far from over, and it's one we all think. The possibilities are endless, and the future of AI holds great promise. As we've seen today, AI is an extraordinary technology with the potential to change our lives in countless ways. From our initial exploration of what AI really is, we've delved into the crux of this fascinating technology, unearthing its potential and understanding its core principles. We've seen how AI is already making waves in our everyday lives, from the smartphones in our pockets to the smart devices in our homes. It's not just convenience, but a whole new way of interacting with technology that's making our lives simpler and more efficient. In the business and industrial sphere, AI is carving out its own niche, helping companies streamline their operations, make better decisions, and even revolutionize entire industries. It's a game changer that's only going to grow in importance in the years to come. And speaking of the future, we've peeked into what lies ahead. With AI, The future is a tapestry of possibilities, a world where machines can learn, adapt, and even think in ways we've only dreamed of. But it's not just about the technology, it's about how we use it, how we adapt to it, and how it can help us build a better world. This journey into the world of AI is only the beginning. There's so much more to learn, to explore, and to understand. So keep that curiosity alive, keep learning, keep exploring, and let's see where this journey takes us. Thank you for spending your time with us. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to Worldwide Curiosities for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep exploring.